Hello Bright Beginnings, welcome in my kitchen. Today we're going to be making Dutch egg cookies and this is what you're going to need. 100 grams of sugar, 2 eggs, 100 grams of flour. You could use gluten-free flour like I am using or normal flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of lemon and a bit of the grating, and a pinch of salt. So let's get started. First, we crack 2 eggs. 1, 2. Make sure there's no little bits of eggshell in there. Scoop them out with a teaspoon. We add in the sugar. And we mix it all together. Later, that looks fluffy and much lighter than before, and it's white. So that's the first bit ready. Next, we've got the flour. We're going to add 2 teaspoons of baking powder. 2. We're going to mix these together. Then you're going to add the flour mixture into the big bowl, the mixing bowl. And you're going to carefully scoop it in so that the air stays into the mixture you've aired before, as if you're folding it over. Teaspoon of lemon juice and a little bit of the grating of the lemon, and the final addition, a pinch of salt. Mix that in. You can still see the bubbles, still nice and fluffy even though you've been mixing in the other ingredients. Now your mixture is ready to go on your baking tray. Need a tablespoon. Scoop it off with your finger. Try to make a circle, nice and round. Keeping space in between the biscuits because they're going to grow in the oven. We're going to make 4. They have enough space to expand. One, 2, 3, and the last one. Are ready to go for 10 minutes in the oven on 180 degrees. Make sure you put some oven gloves on because the oven will be hot. And we're ready to go for 10 minutes in the oven. Make sure that you put the timer on. 10 minutes. Biscuits are golden brown and ready to be eaten. You can take them off once they've cooled down. And enjoy our delicious biscuit. Have fun making your own.